Morning, guys. Tonight we're going to draw Juryrigg from Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. This is what Juryrigg originally looked like in the first time appearance. When I first saw him, I was all like, I think I might call him the little naked dude. It's hilarious. From what I've learned, his kind does more than just tear things apart. He can also reconstruct them into different weapons and other objects that he might believe are useful. Juryrigg. This guy was one of the aliens that Ben had installed after that fight against Eon. He had Juryrigg installed along with Edel, the one that Ben 10,000 has been recently using, as in Clockwork, and finally, Fast Track. He's like Accelerate, only faster. This guy looks like a goblin. That's what his alien race is based on. Alexa, what is a goblin?
A goblin is a small, grotesque, monstrous creature that appears in the folklore of multiple European cultures. First attested in stories from the Middle Ages, they are ascribed conflicting abilities, temperaments, and appearances depending on the story and country of origin, ranging from mischievous household spirits to malicious, bestial thieves.
Alexa, what is a troll?
A troll is a being in Nordic folklore, including Norse mythology. In Old Norse sources, beings described as trolls dwell in isolated areas of rocks, mountains, or caves, live together in small family units, and are rarely helpful to human beings. In later Scandinavian folklore, trolls became beings in their own right, where they live far from human habitation, are not Christianized, and are considered dangerous to human beings.
Alexa, what is the hobgoblin?
The noun, hobgoblin, can have a few meanings.
Here's his
1.
feet.
Something causing superstitious fear, a bogey. 2. A mischievous goblin. 3. Puck.
Bogey. Bogey. Alexa, who is Bob Goblin?
According to another Amazon customer, Bob Goblin is a green goblin with orange hair. He wears a purple vest and brown pants.
Okay, then. Maybe I have to draw him soon. Alright. Basically, this guy is a goblin, but only wears the Omnitrix on his chest. Alexa, what is Wally Kazam?
Wally Kazam is an American CGI interactive children's animated television series created by Adam Peltzman for Nickelodeon. The series
I recognize
was
this
first
show.
broadcast on February 3rd, 2014
I love that
on
show.
Nickelodeon's Nick Jr. block, and it ended on September 9th, 2017. In Canada, it is broadcast on Treehouse TV. In December 2020, the entire series was added to Paramount Plus.
It's amazing. I remember that show. It seemed like paradise to me. I remember watching that show really well. Anyway, that is how you draw Juryrigg from Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. Please like, rock, and subscribe, and let me know what fighter you want me to draw next. Until next time, check out my voice on him. Juryrigg!